Welcome back to the 4-Wheel channel. Get ready, because today we're diving into an exhilarating update that's sure to rev up your engines. Meet the Toyota Land Cruiser 300 GR Sport 2025, a beast that's not just tough, but oozes sophistication with every curve and contour. If you're curious about what makes this powerhouse so special, smash that subscribe button and buckle up for a thrilling ride through this incredible SUV's standout features. Let's hit the road. The 2025 Land Cruiser 300 GR Sport grabs attention right from the start. Its sharp LED headlights, paired with dynamic turn signals, are like eyes that pierce through the dark, offering a futuristic yet functional vibe. The hood boasts muscular contours that hint at its rugged DNA, while red bumper accents inject a sporty energy that screams, ready for action. This is not just an SUV, it's a statement. Take a look at the side profile, and you'll see the perfect marriage of ruggedness and luxury. Wide wheel arches house bold matte black 20-inch alloy wheels, giving it a commanding stance. The flowing character lines along the body add sophistication, while black finished door handles and mirrors tie everything together in a sleek, cohesive package. Practical touches like roof rails and side steps blend seamlessly into the design, making it as ready for an off-road adventure as it is for a night out in the city. The rear design of the Land Cruiser 300 GR Sport is just as striking. Sleek taillights with modern LED signatures bring a touch of elegance, while the bold tailgate lines and blacked-out branding exude a premium vibe. Look closer, and you'll spot the integrated rear spoiler and functional dual exhaust outlets, ensuring this SUV not only looks fast, but also performs like a champ. Don't forget the high ground clearance. It's built to dominate even the toughest terrains. The engineers at Toyota have mastered the art of balance with the 2025 GR Sport, achieving aerodynamic efficiency without compromising durability. Every curve and sculpted panel is designed to reduce drag while enhancing its ability to take on harsh conditions. Whether it's cruising on highways or tackling rugged trails, this SUV does it all with style and ease. The Land Cruiser isn't just a looker, it's packed with practicality. Large windows offer excellent visibility for navigating challenging trails, while its robust design ensures it can handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're an urban explorer or a weekend adventurer, the GR Sport adapts to your lifestyle effortlessly. So, what do you think? Is the Land Cruiser 300 GR Sport your dream ride? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to 4-Wheel for more exciting automotive updates. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.